Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, right now in front of you IMOU Cruiser SE outdoor security camera. Today I am going to unbox it and will teach you how to configure it with your wireless router, and rest of the settings I will explain you details, okay? So first of all I will give a quick review about this camera. This camera is by Dahua brand. I think it's Dahua brand, but the category is IMOU. This is security. There are many cameras in this category, and right now we have 4 megapixel full color camera, and there is some features over here: human detection, motion activated spotlight, and smart tracking. And this is waterproof, guys, and you can rotate it through your smartphone. I will later on will teach you how can you rotate it. Also some other features right on the back of the camera box. You can see 4 megapixel QHD pan and tilt, full color night vision है इसका. It have smart tracking, human detection, motion activated spotlight, built-in microphone. You can hear the voices right over the street or anywhere you are going to fix it. Weatherproof है, which weatherproof, Wi-Fi enabled, micro SD cards slot is available, and cloud service. Fine. So let's unbox it and configure it with our Wi-Fi router. We'll show you what's exactly in the box if we will unbox it. Okay, there is one memory card included by SanDisk. SanDisk Ultra. The size of this memory card, I think 256 or 128, 54 GB. This camera is supported till 256 GB. This is our camera, guys. You can see the right review of this camera. Wi-Fi camera. We can install it in the wall, and there is what inside the box. Else we have to open it. I think the base of the camera should be included, because we cannot hang it in the wall until we will use this base. This is power adapter 12 volt inside the box. This is the screws that we are going to fix in the wall. And second, here we go, we have user manual over here. This is user manual. Second thing, guys, this is the dock that we are going to fix it in the wall through this basement. And also this is the sticker that you can place it on the wall and can drill the hole over here, and you can fix this base of this camera. Fine. This is the user manual, and here is some plastic isolation that we can insert it in the cables to make it waterproof. So let's configure it. Stay with me. Let me connect it with the power, and we will configure it with our smartphone, and we will connect it with the router. So here is the 12 volt adapter we have, and we will connect the power, and you can see we'll move it later, the sticker. Let's move now. Here we go. Okay viewers, now what to do, just open your smartphone, and we have to find it in the Wi-Fi. The camera will appear. Let it boot first. It's initializing now. Let it initialize completely, then you can see the Wi-Fi network. You can see camera is rotating by itself. It means that it start booting. It's initialized. Okay, here we go. We got a new device over here, DAP, but this is password protected, so I will see the password is for sure that is written in the back of the camera. Or we will do what, we have IMOU Live app. Okay, I will open the app and we'll click on plus sign over here. Let's see if we can scan it using barcode. Okay, it's added, and we will press next. Okay, before you proceed, please ensure your device is, it's written over here, guys. May I focus it here. It's asking that in the app, before you proceed, please ensure your device is power up. It's already power up, and the camera LED is flashing green slowly, and you can see on the camera it's flashing green slowly. Second, you have your Wi-Fi password, and here we have our Wi-Fi password. So now what to do, I will press next over here, and you're asking that IMOU Live wants to join Wi-Fi network. Press join. I think we have to add manually because it's password protected, so we have to see the password for this network. Hold on, just stay with me. This password is written over here. Password is not written over here, so we have to find the catalog. Okay, no worries, it was already connected by itself. We have to press our network. This is downtown, and we will enter our password. Like our password of network is 0505790552. Save password. Press next. Connection failed. I think we have to add this network. Okay, it's added. Now we will go back 0505790452. Okay, you can see the device is connecting to the cloud. Okay, now it's going to be, it's ready to configure with our router. So the countdown is started over here in my mobile phone, you can see. So it will take around its countdown is started from 120 seconds. It will be configured around 1 to 2 minutes. So just stay hold, let it configure. Okay, fine, device added successfully. Front door, backyard, garage, we will write the name, any name you can select. Like I will see backyard, and region, we will choose our region to get the date and time. So right now our region is UTC +5. You can select region according to your convenience. And now device added successfully. DST period, date format, fine, we press done. This is our home. Other place I want to create new location, leave it, press done. Press later, and I have already 2 cameras, but the latest one is this backyard. We'll press on it and we'll see. You can see it's working fine now, and we can rotate it using our smart app. Let me see just how can we rotate it. Pan tilt, look, there's option over here, pan tilt, on the application IMOU app. You can get this app from your app store or Google Play. Like this is backyard, I will press pan tilt, and look, it's rotating. You can see. So this was the matter, guys. It's configured successfully with our router. We can proceed it to hang it on the wall. So this is, I will highly recommend the security camera in very cheap price, and you can use memory card as well to store the video, images, and everything. If you have any question regarding this camera, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.